also with Kettle, their prices are so keen that some people say, oh, boiling water tap, that's out of our, price bracket and everything like that. Where Kettle are very, very good on the pricing in comparison to other companies. So it's now opened those doors for other people that always wanted one but never, ventured down that road.
Well, my friend actually was the guy who helped me fit the kitchen. He's a big kitchen fitter, and I was telling him about it. And he had heard, that basically it was very competitive, and since I've had it, he's been very impressed. Yeah. So basically, I just feel that what we set out to have was something that looked nice in the kitchen, very convenient, very handy, saved some water, and was economical. And we have had that. It's ticked every box for us. That's
amazing. It's a great story. And do you make your wife tea?
I make my wife tea every morning.
What a man!
No, you must tell everybody. No, my wife.
I hope my husband's watching this.
I'm in charge of breakfast. After that,
so that's your department.
I have no say.
Morning tea, getting your wife up and going, and then she's in charge after that.
I have no say after that. So I know my place.
Fantastic.
I know my place.